Hey, what's up guys? Reveiw Gaming here, back with another Pixel Gun 3D video. Now for this Pixel Gun 3D video, today I'm going to be doing another review about a weapon. Now, this weapon is called the mini shotgun, so yeah, let's get straight into this video. Now, whenever I think of the mini shotgun, I think of the simple shotgun and the how do you call it? Simple machine gun? Yeah, I think that's what it's called, the machine gun. I think it's those two weapons combined into one, but it could just be another made up weapon, but Pixel Gun 3D Company or Real Stuff thinks of. Alright, so yeah. Alright, let's just use this so I can be faster. Well, this weapon is a shotgun, so it probably won't be that good from far range, because all shotguns are terrible at far range. But yeah. This is actually my first time using it in battle, but I used it in campaign, so I can test it out, and it was a pretty good weapon. Okay, alright, here we go. Here I go. See if I can get a kill. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, I got one kill. Alright, no. Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, pink armor. Alright, I'm gonna go get this guy. I'm gonna get that guy who killed me. I always want my revenge. Of course, a sniper. Let me just snipe him. That'll be better. And if he resurrect, let me just snipe him again. But that kill doesn't count. I just wanted to kill him. Come on. Why am I using a shotgun for range? It's just like saying, oh, use a pistol a mile away. Or it's like, oh, use a machine gun. No, use a grenade just to kill yourself. Oh, right. I don't know what I'm talking about. No! I'm about to be a level 66. Just a little more XP and I'll be a level 66. Alright, so I only got one kill because I killed someone with my anti-hero rifle. Baby! Baby! Nah, man, the girl got my kill. Die! Yeah, I should do a review of the Stormhammer, cause that Stormhammer got buffed. Like, if you one shot, you'll kill the person. Like, it got buffed. It needs to get nerfed. You see, look. Did you just see Hero Brian or whatever that guy name is? Come on. Come on. Like, I'm fine with the Ghost Lancer overpowered, but a melee weapon? Come on. Like, come on. Look, let me show you about this. Look, if I go around someone, all you have to do is just do this. Wait. Come on, take some damage. Yes, alright. Got another kill with this weapon that used to be a beta weapon. Only J-Bro used to have it. J-Bro Gaming 129. I think it's like that. Death Star. Shotgun for the win. Nope. Shotgun. No, not smart bazooka. If only this shotgun had a scope, it would be better. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me just at least, yay! Got another kill. Pink armor. I may do a judge review. My next video is probably gonna be a judge. You wanna throw grenades? Let's throw some grenades then. Oh. I got a kill. What am I doing these days in my videos? What am I doing? Oh. Oh, so, snap. Someone got the judge. I have all the weapons now. Not all of them, but just most of the weapons. I got all the weapons in this update, though. You know what? Screw that. I'm gonna just throw a grenade. Hope I kill someone. Here, let me show you how to do it. Yay. 5 kills. But only... Did you see a rocket just flying around? Or was I the only... Am I the only one who saw that? Or there was a rocket just... I think that was a judge. Big buddy. Yay. Super OP. Yay. Well, I lost. Again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. This is the Mingun Shotgun. Weird, cool looking weapon. Vibe getting out. Bye.